HYdroair Tectonics Private Limited, established in 1988, is a company providing state-of-the-art high-tech environmental and underwater engineering solutions to the Indian industry. Right from its inception, HYdroair firmly believed in and adhered to excellence in performance, innovation of technology, and commitment to quality, the guiding principles that propel HYdroair towards engineering nation's progress. In its mission for excellence, innovation and commitment, HYdroair is steered by its director, Mr. H.B. Singh, internationally renowned technocrat in the field of environmental engineering solutions. A young, enthusiastic, qualified and experienced team of engineers, backed by a formidable supporting staff network, pursue the company's set missions and goals relentlessly. Geographical reach. HYdroair has implemented environmental and underwater engineering projects on turnkey basis all over the country in the face of unique and trying situations. HYdroair is fully equipped to face and surmount any adverse situation, to implement projects successfully and in time. Accreditations. HYdroair has accreditation with and is acknowledged by many prestigious institutions, prime consultants, government and private sector organizations such as Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Central Water Commission, National Institute of Oceanography, Shriram Institute of Industrial Research, Institution of Engineers, Engineers India Limited, Uday India Limited, Jacobs H&G Limited, the State Pollution Control Boards of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, the Indian Institute of Technology, US Commercial Services USA and United States Agency for International Development, among others. Core activities. The main activities of HYdroair are turnkey execution of effluent treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, submarine outfall and intake pipeline projects. Pollution control, ETP-STP projects. Today, realization has dawned that treatment and safe disposal of waste, domestic and industrial, is essential for the survival and progress of mankind. Effective waste treatment methods are essential for proper treatment and also recovery of useful byproducts from waste. HYdroair has relentlessly pursued the development of effective waste treatment technologies and byproduct recovery processes. Mahananda Dairy. HYdroair has set up an effluent treatment plant for Mahananda Dairy, Mumbai for treatment of dairy waste and recovery of biogas, which is used for power generation. The generated power is used for running the ETP. Similar dairy waste treatment plants were executed for dairies of the National Dairy Development Board at Kolhapur and Chandigarh in Maharashtra and the Kolar and Bijapur dairies in Karnataka. Model Mills, Nagpur. This is a common effluent cum sewage treatment plant for Model Mill, Nagpur with recycling of water for cooling and humidification. Kaunpure Sugar Works, Gauri Bazar, UP. HYdroair developed the first hydromethane reactor of the country for this ETP project. Biogas as alternate fuel was recovered. Treated water was used for irrigation and sludge recovered was found useful as manure. New Egerton Woolen Mills, Dhariwal, Punjab. HYdroair executed this turnkey effluent treatment plant for treatment of woolen mill effluents. Water was recovered for reuse. MP Oil Federation, Chindwara, MP. This ETP was designed and executed by HYdroair for treatment of oil mill effluents. In the treatment process, oil and water were recovered for reuse. Jupiter Distillery, Daman. HYdroair executed this wastewater treatment plant using UASB process with recovery of methane gas, which is used as alternative fuel in the boiler for steam generation. Many such projects were executed by HYdroair in the recent years. Effluent treatment plants for Western India Spinning Mills Limited, Mumbai, Elgin Mills Limited, Kanpur, Birla Textile Mills, Delhi, pilot plant for Proteinex waste treatment for Pfizer India Limited, Navi Mumbai, package plant for National Heavy Engineering Company, Pune are just few such projects to mention. Sewage treatment plants. Major sewage treatment plant projects for HYdroair include an STP with recovery of water for gardening and sludge as manure, for National Thermal Power Corporation at Jhanor, Gujarat. Packaged sewage treatment plant for City and Industrial Development Corporation Maharashtra at Navi Mumbai. And STP for canteen waste treatment for Travancore Titanium Products Limited, Kerala. Submarine pipelines, outfall intake systems. Mankind has always been faced with the problem of proper disposal of waste, especially of industrial effluents. Efficient and effective waste disposal methodologies are the need of the day. And HYdroair, through continued innovation, has designed and developed methodologies for marine disposal of pre-treated or treated industrial effluents. In fact, HYdroair is referred to as the numero uno in the field of submarine pipelines and marine outfalls. Few major projects. Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited, Dahej, Gujarat. This is an HDPE marine outfall pipeline with a 7-kilometer long onshore portion and a 3-kilometer offshore section with diffuser system at the end. After successful completion of this marine outfall project in the Gulf of Cambay, one of the most hostile waters in the world, with 6 to 8 knot current velocity, HYdroair again implemented a 12-kilometer long HDPE marine outfall pipeline, 5 kilometers offshore and 7 kilometers onshore in telescopic configuration for the same client, Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited at Dahej, Gujarat. This is the longest marine outfall in the country. Cuddalore Sipcot Industries Common Utilities Limited, Cuddalore, Tamil Nadu. HYdroair implemented a common effluent collection and marine disposal project of 12 MLD capacity for a group of industries at Cuddalore Sipcot Industrial Complex, Tamil Nadu. The work involved all civil, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and allied activities such as collection and disposal sumps, pump house, generators for backup power, etc., including a 1-kilometer long marine outfall pipeline with diffuser system in the Bay of Bengal. ICI India Limited, Tamil Nadu. A twin pipeline was laid by HYdroair in the Bay of Bengal with common parabolic diffuser on turnkey basis for disposal of effluents from ICI's agrochemical and pharmaceutical plants of Ennore Coast, Tamil Nadu. Pondicherry Distilleries Limited, Pondicherry. This marine outfall pipeline, installed by HYdroair in the Bay of Bengal off Pondicherry coast, was provided with special anti-cyclonic protection measures. As a result, the pipeline withstood the May 1990 cyclone, which devastated the entire east coast of India. Atul Products Limited, Valsad, Gujarat. This 900mm OD HDPE outfall pipeline, laid by HYdroair for discharge of treated common effluents of 10 mgd flow from Lalbai Group of Industries, is the largest diameter HDPE pipeline of this kind in the country. Hindustan Newsprints Limited, Kottayam, Kerala. At 15 mgd flow rate, this is the largest industrial effluent outfall system in terms of flow rate. 3 parallel MS pipelines with staggered diffusers were installed, which saved the industry from many a touchy social problem. HYdroair has implemented many such outfall projects for clients such as Royal Distillery Private Limited, Daman and Birla Cellulosic Limited, Kosamba, Gujarat. Diffuser installation. HYdroair reinstalled diffuser ports on 3.5 kilometer long carbon steel marine outfall pipeline, which was earlier installed by a Japanese firm of Alibag Coast in the Arabian Sea for RCF Limited at Thal, Maharashtra. A lighted marker buoy was also installed at the diffuser location as a navigational guide. HYdroair designed, installed and commissioned a special linear diffuser in Senga River, UP for disposal of 9 mgd treated effluents from the UPCC Pata project of Gas Authority of India Limited. Water intake systems. HYdroair has successfully implemented many freshwater and submarine intake projects. These include a seawater intake project for Basque Farms Limited, Sirkali, Tamil Nadu, and freshwater intake system which involved extension of intake steel pipeline of 1000mm diameter into deep waters in Ulhas River for MIDC Mumbai at Shahad Water Works. The intake system was fitted with specially designed strainers at terminal end to facilitate unhindered water intake in all seasons. Allied activities. Apart from pollution control and marine outfall and intake pipeline projects, HYdroair is also engaged in repair of dams, rehabilitation of water retaining structures, underwater repairs and diving services, marine and land surveys, multiplus waterproofing, design and development activities. HYdroair has designed many state-of-the-art innovative equipments such as tailor-made diffusers, indigenously developed butt fusion welding machine, underwater lights, hydromethane reactors, and pollution control equipments. With such a wide spectrum of activities and with 100% successful track record in all its projects, HYdroair is the one-point solution for all your environmental and underwater engineering requirements. HYdroair, a company dedicated to engineering nation's progress.